Hello, ladies and gentlemen that have a sewing machine that acts up on you occasionally. I'm going to show you how to clean your race and your tension dials. I've already taken the 2 screws out from the metal plate. Your bobbin top just pops off. This little gray piece slides forward and lifts off, and then this little plate lifts off. Now, one thing that's real important is this plastic piece that holds the bobbin. You need to pay attention to this little triangle and this metal piece right here. They have to line up when you put it back in. So slide that out. Now you can see some red fuzzy stuff. I just got done making a bunch of teddy bears, memory teddy bears. And what you do is get in here with a brush or a Q-tip. Don't ever blow into it because you're just trapping dust way down below, which is not good. But take your brush and clean as much out of that as you can. And then around here on the sides, clean up. Down in here, reach down in there as far as you can, see all that dust. And I just cleaned this right before I started the teddy bears, and there were 15 of them, but they were made out of flannel shirts. Anyway, get your little brush and get way down in there as far as you can, everywhere that you can, and just keep, see, it just keeps coming. And I'm taking this brush behind me and flicking that dust off. You can't see that. Get down in here, way down in here. And when you've got that good and clean, put a drop of oil right here, put it all back together. See you for part 2.